I was rearranging the position of everything so that I could have enough room down at the bottom where I could say player 1 score, player 2 score, and I'm sorry, player score and computer score. And I noticed something that I want to show you. So what did I do? I raised the position of this text and this text. I raised the position of the pictures, and I raised the position of the you lose. And what I found is that I still didn't have enough room, right? And doing that was a pretty arduous process. It was pretty annoying to do all of that. And why was it annoying? Because if I wanted to raise the position of you choose rock, well, I would need to come to here, and I'm sorry. Oh no, that was easy. I just needed to change this to a lower number. But if I wanted to raise the position of the rock picture, well, I would need to change this value right here, right before I print out the rock. But I would also need to change it here before I print out the paper picture. And I would also need to change it here before I print out the scissors picture. Now, if I wanted to change the position of this rock as well, or the computer's choice, I would need to come over to here, and I would need to change it here, and here, and here. And although that doesn't sound too annoying, I didn't know exactly where to put it, right? So first it was at negative 100, I believe. So then I tried negative 80, and I changed it to 80 on all of them. I played it. I'm like, wait, that's too low still. I changed it all to negative 70. I played it, and oh, that was too low still. So I changed it to negative 65. I played it, and now it looks kind of okay, right? So it's kind of an annoying process. So I was going to say that a better way of getting this done is maybe we can make a variable up here, and we could put here choice y position, and we could set that to negative 65. Okay, and so this choice y position we can use right here, right before we print out the rocks position. Let me actually make this more descriptive. Let me put choice pick y position. Okay, because it is for the picture, not for the choice. So I'm going to call it choice pick. I'll put it here and here and here. And since the computer's choice is also on the same y position, I'm going to put it there and there and there. And now when I run it, it should be the same as what it was. Yep, same as what it was, right? But if I wanted to change the position of those pictures, I wouldn't need to go back and change it here, here, and here, and there, and there, and there. All I need to do is come up here, and I could say, well, let's do negative 165. And since I saved it in a variable, and I used a variable in all of those locations, when I run it, it's going to put them all in the same spot. Okay, so what I suggest that you do when you are repositioning everything is that if it makes sense to do it, like in the case of printing out the pictures, create a variable that's going to hold that value. Use that variable in all of those different locations, and that way, if you want to change the position, all you need to do is to change the value of the variable in one place, and it will change it in all of the places in your code. So use that trick, use that hint when repositioning your game so that we can have enough room at the bottom to print out the score.